The FIFA World Cup is a disaster.
The United States sent back home accused of having links with suspected terror organizations. We have Mexico having to change their Iran having to change their training base here to Mexico. We have fans and journalists from a number of countries who aren't able to attend this World Cup because of travel bans or visa restrictions.
From banning referees to banning full-on countries to the FIFA president looking like an actual World Cup. And I can say that because this man's a coward. And so is FIFA. Here's why.
You yourself have said in the past how important it is to have freedom of movement at a global event like this. You've said how inclusive it is, how welcoming it is as well. Are you embarrassed, therefore, by what actually has come to pass? And do you have to accept that you've lost some control of your own tournament here?
Thanks for you're from BBC. You know, in 2035, I think, we hope, the Women's World Cup will be in the UK, right? Still needs to be a decision, but looks like. Would you find it normal that FIFA would dictate to the British government who to let in the country and who not to let in the country? I don't know. Maybe. Maybe you find it normal. I would like, personally.
And just remember, FIFA does not get involved, guys. A world-class, world-renowned referee being banned from the US for being Somali? He can clear all qualifications. Homeboy's world-class, but he can't clear customs in the US of America. But what can we do? We're not allowed to do. We cannot get political. The entire Iranian football team cannot even stay in the US for their games. They have to drive in from Mexico. It's okay that we can cover their gas bill. It is fine, no problem. We cannot get political. What's next? If the Mexico national team scores too many goals and they look too powerful, is ICE going to detain them? If they do, we cannot get political. This is what he looks like after he shines. So here is my reminder to everybody that FIFA cannot get political. Except when Indonesia for the Under-20 World Cup did not want to allow the Israeli national team to play because, you know, war crimes. But FIFA got pretty political there, and they literally said, Indonesia, you no longer are the host of the World Cup, we're replacing you with Argentina. But we cannot get political. Except, you know, with Germany and, you know, World War II war crimes. So they got sanctioned. Or Japan because of their World War II war crimes. Or Yugoslavia. Or apartheid South Africa. Or most recently, Russia because of their Ukraine invasion. But remember, we cannot get political. God forbid when somebody asks them about Israel. You can ban South Africa for the apartheid regime and you can ban Russia for occupation invasion, but when it comes to Israel, no, we cannot get political. No politics, no, only football. We all know FIFA is cowardly, and at the end of the day, they will only flex their muscles on weaker nations, but then they will easily be strong-armed when, let's say, the US decides to make a decision.